Hello everyone, in this video I will review FlashLoop AI. FlashLoop AI is an easy-to-use platform that transforms text and images into high-quality cinematic videos in seconds. It uses advanced AI models to generate realistic visuals, physics, sound effects, and ambient audio. The platform is perfect for creating content for TikTok, YouTube Short, Instagram Reels, and marketing ads. Users can access FlashLoop on web, iOS, and Android devices, making it convenient to create videos anywhere. To make a video, you simply input text prompts or upload images, choose a style, and the AI generates the video automatically. FlashLoop also offers a creator fund, allowing users to earn money by producing and sharing AI-generated content. The platform tracks performance and provides payouts through PayPal or Stripe. Its interface is designed to be intuitive, so even beginners can start creating professional videos quickly. Many users praise the platform for its speed, quality, and ease of use. However, some report occasional glitches, especially when generating video with multiple characters or complex prompts. There have also been instances of slow customer support. Despite these minor issues, FlashLoop remains reliable and innovative for content creation. Its AI-powered capabilities save creators time and effort. Overall, FlashLoop AI is a strong choice for anyone looking to make engaging, high-quality videos without advanced editing skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.